Sending your faulty unit for test and rebuild is simple and fast. Just fill out the online test form with the details of the fault, choose your preferred collection date, and we'll collect from you on that date. Ensure your unit is well packaged inside a sturdy box with plenty of packaging material. Make sure any fluids or oils are completely removed from the unit if present. Once collected, your unit will arrive at our factory the very next working day. It is then scheduled immediately to an engineer and fully tested to confirm the fault. You will then be notified with the test results, including the rebuild quotation. Payment can be made instantly by credit or debit card or PayPal. The moment payment is complete, your engineer is notified and your unit is fully rebuilt. It's then fully retested to confirm the complete eradication of the fault. Your unit is then shipped back to you via next-day travel courier service along with your lifetime warranty. Most units are turned around within 2 to 3 working days of receipt. We keep you informed at every step of the process, from collection, test, rebuild, and return. You can also track every step of the process live from your account, so you always know exactly what's happening with your unit. If your unit turns out not to be faulty, we inform you of this and only charge a test fee of £45 plus £15 return shipping. In the unlikely event that your unit is irreparable, then we waiver the test fee and return your unit for the cost of return shipping only. If a replacement unit is available, then we will offer a quote for this. To get an accurate quote for the rebuild of your unit in advance, please contact us with the part number from your unit or simply search for your unit in our online catalogue to see full price and common fault information.